Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today, I'd like to talk about financial stocks. The financial sector has really taken a hit lately, and soon we may be facing some inflation and recession issues. The one day the financial sector has not performed well, and also the 1 week, and even the 1 month. The financial sector, in particular the banking sector, the rising delinquencies in debt, credit cards, auto loans, business loans, even home loans are increasing, and I believe our economy is not in good shape. Banks, like Wells Fargo, has scaled back on their credit limits, just like they did in 2008. Now, financials do well after recovery, and they have been, but I no longer think we're in a recovery phase. And based on the past 2 weeks, the financials should be performing much better than they are. Looking at Bank of America, the growth potential of this stock is not all that great for the next year or so. 43.32 is set at 40. That's not a lot of growth, even though it's rated a moderate buy. Morgan Stanley, much the same, and Goldman Sachs a little bit better, but the growth is just not there for these big banks. So I'm going to advocate and talk about today 4 stocks that you may want to consider putting on your watch list that are growing and are undervalued. This is a tough thing, though, because this sector is beaten down and it may stay beaten down. So be careful. But I believe your money is well spent if you're going to invest in the banking industry, is to invest in stocks that are undervalued and growing. Let's look at Huntington Bank Shares, which is my favorite. Huntington Bank Shares, ticker symbol HBAN, is trading at $14.95. It's a cheapie stock, rated at a moderate buy, and it's going up to $16, $17. If you're looking for a cheapie stock, this is it. Let's look at the chart. We're swing traders, and the job of a swing trader is to capture these major swings. That's a nice long run, and a couple minor ones here. The RSI is in its oversold position, and when it comes back around, that's when we should do a buy. Maybe it's not finished going down yet. The stochastic RSI, same situation, and the MACD is below the zero line, so all the 3 of those things say we're about to have a buy signal soon. There's a support there, and there seems to be a support there. And so what I've been doing is selling some puts. But this stock is cheap enough you can buy it with a small account, about $1,500. So you can either buy the stock or sell a put. And then if it, I'd say at 14 or 14.50, and if it comes down that way, and the stock gets put to you, you get it for 14.50. It's and it collects some premium. So selling puts on a cheap stock like this is very easy. That's why one of the things is the reason why I included it. Huntington Bank Shares, a undervalued and growing stock. The next stock I'd like to talk about is MT Bank Corporation. Again, nice swings. Right now, the zigzag doesn't know what it's doing, so it was knowledgeable when it was going down. Now it's just undecisive, so that means it might go up. Stochastic RSI is saying go up. We have a green dot here in the MACD, and the RSI is pointing up. Selling a credit spread for some credit over the next 2 months. You can collect some premium and some profit. This stock looked like it's going up to me. The next stock is stock ticker SBNY, Signature Bank. The trend is your friend. Nice swings. The zigzag doesn't know what it's doing. That means it might go down for a bit. The stochastic RSI is pointing down. The MACD is pointing down, and the RSI is pointing down. But this is the long-term buy, so we're going to wait until it comes back around. So buy out here somewhere. But it's going to come down and probably come down to 50%, somewhere in that area. Put on your list for a buy. It's easy to do in TradingView, which is to set an alert when the RSI comes back around the 30. You get an email or a text message saying buy. Set an alert. And the last stock is Western Alliance. Stock symbol WAL. Western Alliance Bank Corp. These are nice short swings, but you got to catch them and be real careful with these short swings. I like nice long swings. And right now it's just bopping around. The stochastic RSI is in its overbought. RSI is in overbought, coming back down around. and the MACD is at the 0 line. Need to wait to come back around, and somewhere here or here you will sell a put or sell a bear call, a bull put spread for credit. Take credit. And this is nice because it does have a floor, and this stock is just hanging around. So this is a nice, easy one to trade, especially if you're selling puts or bull put spreads for credit. Anyway, these are 4 ideas to add to your watch list besides the big boys: Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, and Bank of America. Wells Fargo's in there too, but I'd have a feeling they're in trouble. Cheapy stock and a little more expensive. By the way, this is Simply Wall Street, and I did a query for undervalued growing stocks. Growing stocks, and the value is undervalued. And these are snowflakes, and it shows you the health of the company, the future of the company, and whether it pays dividends. Each one, well, this one probably does not, Signature, and neither does Western Alliance, but these two do. And you want the object of these snowflakes is you want to try to fill them in as much as green as possible. The greener the better. These two are the green. These are a little limey green. And then you can go ahead and drill down. And this one is trading 43% below its estimated its fair value. Earnings are forecast to grow 24%. Very nice. And the reason why I like this package, it shows some graphics. There's the current price. There's the fair market value price or future value. And this is higher than Tips Ranks was. Some room to grow if you believe the different valuation techniques. So what do you think of these smaller, undervalued, and growing financial stocks? Or you just want to stay away from the financial sector? Please leave your comments below. The Stock Planner channel is an education channel. We share ideas. We're not advising anything. In fact, I would never take any advice from anybody on the internet. Do your own due diligence. And I know, though, since I started sharing on the line, my trading has gotten better and I've become more profitable. I've slowed down my trading. I stopped over trading. I've stopped overthinking because it takes time to make these videos. So you really can't be staring at the screen. And this helped. Stepping back, looking at the strategic view. All that has helped. Please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the flip. Happy trading. Get yourself prepared for Monday. Plan, plan, plan.